delivery option is really, really important because you know, you can't be shut out of important things in life just because your hands don't work the same as everyone else.
Oh, I like that. How good's that? That's great. I like that. And it's a really lovely pliable, squeezy one as well, so easy to squeeze.
I mean that I can open things with ease, that I don't have to think about it, that I don't have to ask another person to actually open that or wait till a support person comes in to open that package. It gives me freedom and choice. So I see that it's got the accredited easy cat opening. That looks good. And that's very easy.
So when you do something at ease, it just takes that pressure away and the extra stress away as well, and it makes your life so much easier. This one. That one would have to be the best one. You have to just lift up.
Struggling with products just makes me frustrated. The first one, I get frustrated initially, then I get angry, then I try and find a solution, and often the solution is finding an alternative product to purchase. It's really easy to happen. The instructions are using it, it's good. The grip on it, and this is so good to have it easy access, so I can easily release it with my good hand, and even with my bad hand it's really easily done as well.